are going to discuss, because I already discussed with 4P for questions number 1. So with 4 teratai, I'm gonna discuss with number 5. Okay, what we have over here. The table shows the long jump result in meter for 2 pupils. Okay, we have 2 pupils there for student A, student B. One of the pupil will represent the school in a long jump competition. That determine which pupil should be chosen and give your reason. Nak cari apa? What do you want to? How did we want to determine which student you are going to choose? Baru tadi sebut. Cari? So that we are going to compare what? You want to compare what? Compare the standard deviation. We are going to compare the standard deviation. For the formula, you can have a look at page beside page 1. Sebelah page 1 tu ada dia punya standard deviation. Okay, first I'm going to have our student A first. Student A. Okay, for student A, my standard deviation for A. Okay, so if you look in your the list of the formula there, statistic and probability. Okay, I'm going to use which one? Square root. What? The total of our data square. So which one going to be your total for student A here? This one. Okay. We are going to square everything that one. 3.4 square plus 4.51 square plus 4.80 square plus 3.67 square plus 5.02 square. Okay. Divide by how many number of data we have there? You got 5 of it. Okay. And then if you look in our formula there, you are going to minus with what? Just now your friend said mean. How to find mean? Yes, we are going to take again 3.4 plus 4.51 plus 4.80 plus 3.67 plus 5.02. This one I'm going to divide with 5. And then if you look, the formula is given what? Mean you have to square. This one everything later you have to square. Panjang ni cikgu. Okay. Because you are using the formula over here, our standard deviation, you are going to get total of x square over n minus with mean square. That's going to be the formula you are using. Okay. To find our standard deviation straight away lah. You are using all our data given. What if I want to find mean first? Can or cannot? Can. And then you have to substitute only in your formula. Also can. Kalau ada orang kata cikgu nak cari mean lah dulu, panjang sangat lah macam ni, takut salah ke apa ke. Boleh, tak ada masalah. Okay? You can find your mean first. And then you substitute back into your formula of standard deviation. Okay, find for me the first one there. What I get? Not total lah. Maybe you find the first part over here first. The first part, this one, find for me. And then find the second part over here for this one. Find it separately lah, sebab saya takut nanti tersalah kalau you all key in everything in your calculator straight away. Okay, find for me. What do you get? Which one? The first one? Ya, aku dah cakap tadi cari sia-sia ni nak cari. Okay lah. Did you all got the same? Is it after you square root? Square root dah 0. Okay. Your friend got already the answer for the standard deviation for student A. Okay, now we are going to get for student B. So student B, if you look there, you got every of the result there. So you are going to do the same square root. So I'm going to get over here 4.36 square plus 4.74 square plus 5.13 square plus 4.87 square plus 5.04 square. Divide by this one also, we got 5 of the number of data. Then what you are going to do next here, we are going to have our mean. So if you look there, 4.36 plus 4.74 plus with 5.13 plus 4.87 plus with 5.004. Also this one we need to divide by 5. And remember this one you are going to square for our mean. What do you get? Ada orang kata cikgu nak cari satu ke? Okay, for me lah. For me, if you can find it separately, go for it. Because sometimes, biasalah, when we key in everything in one shot there, maybe some mistake. But if you have confidence, you can find just now, your friend already find for the standard deviation for student A just now, straight away, no problem. Okay, this one what you get? You want to find separately also can? You find straight away also can. What do you get? Anyone? Berapa kak? Oh, dia nak cakap pun takut. Cakap lah. Engkau dapat berapa? Tak, kita discuss sekarang. You square root everything already? Square root 4.307. Okay. Others? Oh, dia kata salah. Dia bagi jawapan, dia kata salah. Janganlah, sabarlah. Others agree? Belum. Oh, mengeja I got different. Cikgu dapat different. Tak apalah, bagilah jawapan korang tu. Bulat dah. Dah tengok. Nampak tak? I got 0. Berapa kak? Lain pula daripada saya punya jawapan. 0. Make error. Lagi bagus. What I got over here is 32. Siapa dapat? 0.232. Macam mana ni kak? Cari betul-betul, cari betul-betul. Okey. Make error itu bahaya tu. Siapa dapat make error dah habis satu masa. Cepat. Okay. So now, when we find our standard deviation already, can you determine which pupil should be chosen? B. Of course lah, B. Kenapa B? If we compare both of our standard deviation over here, you can state over here that we choose our student B. Okay. Lepas tu dia kata give your reason. What reason you are going to give over here? The standard deviation. What? Value is what? Smaller. When smaller, choose is shown what? That student B is more consistent. Yeah, is more consistent. Kan saya dah bagi tahu dah. Apa? When we have our standard deviation, smaller standard deviation is going to be more consistent. Ataupun lagi apa lagi dia kata? Should be. That's going to be our answer.